Welcome to a new series called A Point of View. These are little sessions of me doing various POV photography styles so that you can see how I shoot. They're super chilled out, so sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's get into it. I've got the 85 GM 1.4 on at the moment. Typically my settings for street photography especially are, I don't know if you can see this on the camera or not, or how close it's going to focus, but I've got 1/4 as my f-stop. I usually use ISO auto. For this camera, probably up to 1600, which is what I've got now. And then I change my shutter speed depending on the subject and how I want the exposure to work. So right now I've got it set to about 1/800, and that's giving me a 0. So we'll start with this, and we'll see how we go. So here's a guy coming out now. I might get some portrait orientation shots too. That's not bad. Even this guy walking across is great. Haven't been out to shoot Sydney Street in probably 2 years since I came back from Japan. Well, since before I went to Japan even.
Yeah, me too.
It's been so long. Sydney Street is the hardest thing to shoot, I swear. I love the lines of these buildings, they're so nice. But waiting for someone to come through is always the challenge when it comes to street photography. Man, it's been so long since I've been here. This looks so nice, this area. So back when I was in Sydney last, this building up here, the Crown building, wasn't there. And 85 is a little bit too tight for this, but that's super nice. Yeah, dope. These patterns are so rad. Nice. So I always make sure to shoot everything in both portrait and landscape, because you never know, right? Never know when you might need these files one day. And if you get stuck shooting in portrait all the time, then it's not a good practice to be in. It's hunting. So hard to try and see things in your own hometown in a new light. I'll be mad if someone walked through right now. Kind of like that. That little strip of light, come on. There we go. Take one for portrait orientation too.
A lot of suit men.
We're just waiting. Yeah. Come on. 10 seconds. Or not. Oh, look at this light. It's gorgeous. Just waiting for it. The light looks kind of cool for photos though.
Yeah, exactly. You get that diagonal line.
Yeah, and then if you angle this high enough, then you can see the lines on both the tops and the bottoms. It's kind of nice. Oh, back here again. So I want to grab this dude. Oh, too slow. So I'm just waiting for someone to walk through the shadows here. ISO 80, 1600, 1/1600. And then I'm just gonna wait. Street photography is a game of patience. Something like that might be nice, but I'm trying to wait for a scene where it's just one single person. And sometimes you have to wait a long time for these types of shots, but most of the time it's worth it. Come on, I want this damn shot. 5 hours later.
5 hours later.
Still in the same position, guys. I'm sorry. That'll do. And then get some in portrait just because these guys coming through might be nice. Love all these lines and stuff. It'd be really nice to get like a single person coming up. So I love this composition here, and I'm just gonna wait for this subject person to walk up. Take it. I'm just gonna wait till she walks up to the very top because I think where those lines intersect a little bit nicer. So something like that. The difference in like 1 second after or 2 seconds after often makes the difference between like a successfully good shot and a successfully great shot. So sometimes you just have to wait, especially when it comes to street photography. Oh, hold on. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Ah, couldn't get an in landscape. That's all right. So back in that one spot again, and the light's a little bit nicer now. It's like a really hard slice of light now, so.
You're not taking pictures of my illegal park, are you?
We won't tell anyone, it's all right.
Never recorded though.
Oh, that's kind of nice too, though. Well, it depends. Waiting for the perfect subject to roll through. Or a subject at all will do at this point in time. Sometimes you just gotta like work a scene to death, especially when it comes to like street photography. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Might be
Maybe.
nice looking down from up there, looking down
Oh yeah?
with this background.
Let's have a look-sees. I like all this like reflection on the
Oh yeah.
glass. Looks rad. Want to just grab someone walking across here. Maybe this guy will do. Something like that. Oh, this guy's in like full stride. Watch this. Pop, 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 pop. Oh God. Wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. Here we go. Again, waiting for the light to come on. Nice. Bit of bicycle action. Light's gone. Okay, that's it. Thanks for sticking around until the end. As I mentioned at the start of the video, I'll be doing more POV stuff where I'll be doing different challenges and just generally practicing my photography and documenting that along the way, so look out for that. But also let me know if there's anything specific you want to see, like if you have a particular setup you want to see me shoot with or anything like that. Okay, remember to subscribe and do all that YouTubery stuff. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.